Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by turning background sounds on so audio plays system-wide. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Audio/Visual, enable background sounds and pick a sound. Once done, you'll see a separate volume slider. Use it to balance ambience versus music or videos. Make sure to test with headphones and speakers. The feature bypasses app audio mixing, which is why you control it independently. This first step gets the sound active immediately, so you can confirm behavior before adjusting advanced options. Now customize how the background sound behaves so it fits your workflow. Select a noise type, for example rain or stream, and adjust the built-in EQ and volume to sit under voices. You can enable sound looping or sync the control with hardware buttons. This keeps quick adjustments natural. If you use Bluetooth, make sure background sounds is allowed to route to that device, because by default it follows the current output. These choices control persistence, audio placement, and output routing. To finish, test background sounds across typical scenarios. Play music, answer a call, and open a meditation app so you confirm the ambient layer stays consistent. Once verified, integrate it into your focus modes if desired. If you encounter silence, check focus or do not disturb settings, the volume limit, and Bluetooth routing. These often block sound. As a quick fix, toggle background sounds off and on or restart the iPhone. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.